Examples of trial balance with suspense account. Today, let's see how to prepare trial balance. When suspense account is prepared, say for example, invoice received from supplier for rupees 5,000. The suspense account is used for any transaction that cannot be identified. If a transaction is completed but not clear where it came from or what it is meant for example, invoices received from supplier for rupees 5,000. Here, we don't know where to charge this rupees 5,000. After finding out, the concerned person came to a conclusion that this rupees 5,000 is for purchases made. So, in this case, we have to open a suspense account and write the entries as suspense account debtor to accounts payable account. And after finding out where the error came from, we have to close the suspense account by writing the entry as purchase department or sub account debtor to suspense account. Okay, let's see how to prepare trial balance. Opening stock 40,000. Opening stock is an asset, so it should be debited. You know that increase in asset should be debited. Capital account is the liability for the business, so capital account is to be credited. Then sales account is an income for the business, so it should be credited as per the nominal account rule. Credit all incomes and gains. And capital account is credited because it is the liability for the business. This is according to the business entity concept or separate legal entity concept. Separate legal entity means what? That means the owners and the business are separate. Even if the owner has contributed money to start the business, the owner and the business are separate. That is, the business is liable to pay rupees 90,000. That's why capital account is credited. The next one is salaries. Salaries is an expense. Rent, salaries, all these are expenses. So it should be debited according to the nominal account rule. Debit all expenses and losses. Bills payable. It is the liability for the business. The liability, increase in liability should be credited. Telephone charges. Again, it is an expense. So debit the telephone charges as per the nominal account rule. Debit all expenses and losses. Creditors. Creditors means to whom we owe money. That is, the business owes money. So it is a liability. It should be credited. Increase in liability should be credited. So amount rupees 16,000 is credited. Purchase account. Purchase account is an expense. Purchase account is an expense. So it should be debited as per the nominal account rule. Debit all expenses and losses. Debtors are the persons who owes money, so it should be debited. It is an increase in assets, so it should be debited. Carriage inwards should be debited. Or carriage inwards is nothing but the transportation cost incurred, so it should be debited. Bills receivable, something we are going to receive. It is an asset. Increase in asset should be debited. So rupees 20,000 is debited. Commission received, it is an income. So it should be credited according to the nominal account rule. Credit all incomes and gains. Cash at bank, it is an asset. Increase in asset should be debited. Debit what comes in as per the real account rule, and increase in asset should be debited. Furniture, it is an asset. It should be debited. Plant, it is an asset. It should be debited. Repairs, it is an expense. Debit all expenses and losses according to the nominal account rule. So it is debited. An amount of rupees 550 is debited in the trial balance. This is the way we have to prepare trial balance. So you have to write the heading as in the books of Mr. Kandan, trial balance as on 31st March 2020. Then serial number, name of the account, LF, debit, credit, rupees. The first one is opening stock. So we already discussed that opening stock should be debited. It is an asset, right? Serial number 1, name of the account, opening stock, amount is rupees 40,000 on the debit side. Serial number 1, opening stock, amount is rupees 40,000. The next one is capital. Capital should be credited. Amount is rupees 90,000. Second one, capital Amount is rupees 90,000. The next one is sales 1,77,200. It should be credited. Third one, sales 1,77,200. Next one is salaries. It should be debited 12,000. Next one is bills payable. It is a liability. It should be credited. Amount is rupees 9,450. Next one is telephone charges. It is an expense, so it should be debited. Next one is creditors 16,000. It should be credited. It is an increase in liability. Telephone charges 2,350. Creditors 16,000. Next one is purchases. It should be debited. Purchases 85,000. Debtors 25,000. Debtors 25,000. Carriage inward 16,500. Debtors. Bills receivable 20,000. It should be debited. Then commission received rupees 5,550. The purchases is debited, debtors is debited, carriage inwards is debited, bills receivable is debited, commission received, it should not be debited, it should be credited because it is an income. So 5,550. It should be credited, it is an income. As per the nominal account rule, credit all incomes and gains. Cash at bank is an asset. It should be debited 17,000. Furniture should be debited 19,000. Plant, again it should be debited 55,800. Repairs is an expense. It should be debited. Amount is rupees 550. Cash at bank 17,000. 17,000. Cash at bank 17,000, furniture 19,000, plant 55,800. Then repairs 550. Now we have to total both the debit side and credit side. Then we have to write the higher total. So if the debit side has got higher total, we have to write the higher total. Then if the credit side has got higher total, we have to write the higher total. So we are now going to total on both sides. After totaling, we got the debit side total as 2,93,200. Then the credit side total as 2,98,200. So which side has got higher total? The credit side has got higher total. That is 2,98,200. So we have to write the higher total on both sides. 2,98,200. 2,98,200. The debit side is the lesser compared to the credit side. So we are writing the difference on the debit side. So 2,98,200 minus 2,93,200, we get the difference as 5,000. It is shown as suspense account. A suspense account is used for any transaction that cannot be identified, and the difference in trial balance is shown as suspense account. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.